My name is Joy. Everybody call my Joy anyways. It's actually a Thai name. It doesn't mean anything. But I know that joy meaning. I know joy is joy. I start the cooking class. So my mom, now she passed away, and now she used to be a teacher. So teacher money very little, and so after finished the school, she have the store like close to the fire station. My dad is fireman, and so at that time I want to show that I can cook. And one day my mom's not there. She at the market or doing something, and I cook. And they don't know yet Joyce cook or not, but Joyce seemed like professional. She bang 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 bang, yeah, this. And my mom came and I asked how is the food and all that, and then he said yes, it was great, this was good and it's very good, enjoy it. And I said, Mom, see, I can do it, so you don't have to work hard all the time, I can help. Actually, you can sit down, I can cook. After that on, I cook more. I feel like I learn a lot. I learn a lot from the experience. I says, I want you to be like mommy. She said, why mommy? I says, because you enjoy, you are happy when people love your food. And you know what? You like to help people. The cooking class will help you. And she said, I want to be like you, mommy. That what? Let's see in the future. Anything she cook, it tastes great. My mom, yeah, and at that kitchen, at that time, it's something that you can come and ask. I want this, I want that. Okay, I'll cook for you. It's something quick and easy. That what actually Thai food, yeah, fast, easy, spicy, tasty. That is real Thai. And always there, I tell people to come hungry. I'm happy when they enjoy the cooking and finish the food. That has made me feel good and make me more happy when they go home or they cook again. Sometimes send me pictures or ask me some questions. Joy, I forget a bit of this. This has made me really happy. But they want to have a conversation with Joy. That means that they want to cook with Joy again, even through the phone. That's how I'm always happy when I have questions. อร่อยไหม
อร่อย
อร่อย she said